welcome back to day 35 of online learning. Today we're going over Unit 7, Lesson 3.5. And today we're going to be working on adding and subtracting money and also solving two-step word problems involving subtraction. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pull up our learning goals and objectives for today through this video of what we're trying to accomplish. So our learning goals for this video are that I will be able to solve addition problems with more than two add-ins, and I will be able to find different combination of add-ins to get a given sum, and I will be able to solve multi-step word problems. What I want to remind you for the first two goals that we have is that an add-in is one of the numbers that we're adding together in an equation. So what we're going to be doing is focusing on figuring out different combinations of add-ins to get a sum, and we're going to be using that with money. What I have here is a word problem. What I want us to do is I'm going to read it first, and then what I want you to do is pause me and take notes of the important parts of this problem. So it says Mike earned $12.20 babysitting. He went to the card store and spent $6.49. Then he went to the science store and spent $4.80. How much money does Mike have now? Pause me and take notes of the important parts of this problem. So I see that Mike earned $12.20 babysitting. He went to the card store and spent $6.49. So I'm going to write first spent $6.49, because I know that then he went to the science store and spent $4.80. So he spent money two times. Second, he spent $4.80. My question is, how much money does Mike have now? Pause me and think about an equation that I can use to show this. If he started with $12.20, then he spent $6.49, and then he spent $4.80, how much money does he have now? Pause me and write an equation. So it's important for me to pay attention to the fact that he earned $12.20. I know that the most money he's going to have right now is $12.20, because then he starts spending it. He's not gaining any more money. He's only taking away money. So that would mean that my equation would be $12.20 minus $6.49 minus $4.80. And I remember with addition problems that have more than two add-ins, I need to add two together first. So with subtraction, I need to subtract two of them first. So I'm going to pay attention first to $12.20 minus $6.49. So I'm doing $12.20 minus $6.49. And I want to do this on a number line, because it's going to be really easy for me to see if I subtract it into dollars, $6 and 49 cents. Pause me and solve by yourself this equation using a number line. So I'm going to start with $12.20, and then I'm going to take away $6. And $12.20 minus $6 would be, I'm just focusing on my dollar amount since I'm not taking away anything out of my cents. So that would just be $6.20. I'm keeping my cents the same. And then it tells me that I need to also take away 49 cents. What way can I make this super easy and get myself to a friendly number from $6.20? What can I take away to get to a friendly number? I can first take away 20 cents to get to $6. Because I know that if I did 20 cents plus how many cents would equal to 49 cents. 20 cents plus 29 cents would get me to 49 cents. So I still need to take away 29 cents. But I can first take away 20 cents. So if I was taking away 20 cents, I could think about it if I had 600 or 600 pennies, how much would I have if I took away 20 pennies? If I had 600 pennies and took away 20 pennies, I would have $5.80 left. So if I have minus 20, which you would equal to minus 40 cents, I still have 9 cents left that I need to take away. And I notice that I have 80 cents here, and I know that I could take away 9 from 80, so my dollar amount is not going to change at all. So 80 minus 9 would be 71 cents. It'd be $5.71. What's important for me to understand that this is 80 cents because I have a 0 at the end, but this is only 9 cents because I have a 0 beforehand. So I need to come up here, and I see that I got 1220 minus 649 is $5.71. $5.71, and I still need to take away $4.80. So I'm going to solve that right down here to show 571 minus 480. I need to also figure out how much he has left when he spends money on the science store. Pause me and solve this on a number line by yourself. So I know that I need to separate 480 into $4.80. I'm going to start over here to show $5.71, and then I need to know I need to take away $4. So if I did 571 minus 400, because remember, I can think about my dollar amounts as if they were 100 pennies. So I have 571 minus $4. I'm not going to change my tens and my ones place at all. All I'm going to do is pay attention to my dollar amount. So $5 minus $4 would be $1.71, because I need to keep my change. And now I need to take away 80 cents. I want to think about this as it's 171 pennies. $1.71 is 171 pennies. So if I was to take away 80, that might be something that's difficult because I know I can't take away 80 from 71. So I need to go into my dollar amount. What I want to do first is I'm going to take away 71 cents. Because I know that $1.71 would just be equal to $1. And if I took away 71 cents, pause me and think about how many more cents do I need to take away to equal the total 80 cents. If I took away 71 cents, I still need 9 cents to equal a total of 80 cents. So I'm going to take away another 9 cents. So $1 minus 9 cents, or 100 minus 9, would be $0.91. So up here, what I can write is $0.91, or 91 cents. Pause me and think about what my answer represents. My answer represents he has 91 cents left. After spending all this money, he has 91 cents left. He started with $12.20, and then he spent $6.49, which we subtracted first, to to get to $5.71 that he had left. And then he spent another $4.80. So you need to, when you're solving two-step word problems that are using subtraction, you need to first solve for two of them and then take away the last part from that solution. What I want you to do is think about if our principal, Miss Conley, gave me $100 to buy supplies for our classroom, and you could help me decide how to spend it. So what we have here is a list of things we can buy and how much they cost. Give me two things that we can buy, and without adding it up exactly, how can you make sure that the sum doesn't go over $100? Pause me now and think about two things that we can buy. Two things that I think we can buy are a globe and crayons. And without adding it exactly, what I can do is just round to make sure that our sum doesn't go up over $100. So if it's a globe and it's $45, I see that this 5 means that I'm going to round up to make my tens place into 50, so I rounded it to 50. And then my crayons is $36. So again, I can pay attention to my ones place. I see that this is 5 or more, so I'm going to raise up my tens place to make it $40. So all I did was round a globe and crayons. So I got 50 plus 40, which is $90. I can also I realize that I can add scissors and crayons together because scissors would round to $30 and crayons would round to 40, which is less than 100. There's a lot of different combinations that I can make with two items. Now think, are there any combinations of more than two things here that we can buy for $100? What are some combinations of more than two things that we can buy using $100? Pause me and think about it. So I know if I wanted to buy 3 things, let's say I wanted to buy the microscope. I see the microscope is more than $50, so I have to find 2 things that cost less than $50 together. So if the microscope costs more than $50, that means that I need to get either the soccer ball in the dictionary or the scissors because it's less than $50. So what I'm doing is I'm just paying attention to the different ways that I can be making combinations of things that I can buy with $100. Your have to today is pages 449 and 451. For page 449, it's book orders. And the directions are, if you have $10, which books can you buy? So you're going to find combinations of at least 3 different books that cost close to $10 in all. Then find out how much money you have left. So you're going to buy with $10 books from this catalog. And these books can be ordered. And one way to make this a little bit easier for you is if you round to whole dollar amounts. So like we did with the $100 that the principal gave, now we have $10. And we're going to figure out different ways that we can order books with only $10. And you're going to figure out how much you spent and how much you had left. So you're going to do that with 2 different orders. And then for page 451, it's a 2-step money problem like we did earlier. So you're going to solve these problems and show your solutions. You need to make sure that you write an equation, show your work, and take notes of the rules of the problem. Now let's take a look at our have to for Here's your have to for today. You're going to complete pages 449 and 451. Make sure to show your work for every problem. And then you need to do 15 minutes of IXL only on the highlighted skills. And if you take a look on the rubric below, it shows you to get a 3, you need to do all the problems on pages 449 to 451, show your work, and do 15 minutes on IXL on the highlighted skills.